año bien, ¿no? Eso que ni qué. Nomás nos faltó la pinche Chevy, es lo que le estaba diciendo.
Hey, at least you got a souvenir now.
For sure.
Hey, just look it up to the tailgate.
Oh, right here? Right here? Go back a little bit.
Back a little bit more, dude. So license plate just sitting there?
Actually, take it off from the ball hitch and actually make it shorter on that side. So I can have extra length on this side.
That sucks, dude.
I know. It happens though.
Well, at least the license plate's still there.
That's all I need. The lights are gone though.
Oh, fuck. That's amazing. That's alright. Some super glue. Oh, did it fuck up the harness?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. That's gonna be a bitch. I hope that stays on. Considering how that wobbled right there.
Well, I'm getting it from right here.
I'm like,
though.
that's the whole track.
Because if that comes off, we're gonna have to hook it somewhere to the frame, to the suspension or something. Did I move it at least or no?
Yeah, fuckload. Oh, fuckload.
Yeah, I can see more of the tire for once.
You kind of see the tire. You moved it for 2 seconds and then it all.
You know what? We're just gonna hook it on the actual.
That's what
tailgate.
happens when you buy a Ford and you try to throw aftermarket crap.
It's homemade.
There's your answer. You're gonna what?
The ball hitch.
Looking for the hitch?
What does he think he is?
Yeah, I'm on the hitch.
Snapchat for everybody. 2 minutes, 30 seconds.
Yes, sir.
I paused it and then started again.
Wrap it.
Like I said, whatever you feel comfortable.
That way.
The only
Stick
thing
your
that
arm
worries
down there.
me is when that yanks, it's gonna come across on that wire. So I would put it more towards where it bolts to the frame. Or if you're gonna hook it to the hitch.
No.
Las papitas faltaron.
That's your AC. Huh? That's your AC. What's the heater? That's your AC. Ah, listen to it. Oops.
Probably, but
Isn't that just for the trailers?
yeah, it's for the trailers. This should
Yeah,
be
but
good.
it's bolted on.
You can always find
Is the wire cold?
Yeah. Grabbing the goddamn chain is the fucking hardest thing. There you go.
Yep, that side.
Jack hooked on correctly, everyone?
Is it? That was a good one. Oh shit, that's not good. Me, I think.
Vámonos, Chris.
I'm Very popular box.
I'm afraid if I go over, I'm gonna do some shit.
We used to like pull and get a gas. Just because there's nothing to do it. It's working. Half most of the tire came out already. I think it's stuck right there. That's where it's stuck.
Tire floating, your tire fell off.
No, that's another tire that was in there.
You want to try hooking yours to pull it in? That's what I want to do. Fucking hung?
Hey, hold on. Tell him to hold on real quick.
Hey, Chris.
I'm gonna jump in.
He's gonna try starting it.
See if it starts. It's dead batteries.
Go for it.
Okay, another one.
No, batteries are completely dead. Doing it.
Parking that shit right now. The first time I got off, the sun horizon and shit. Just gonna shoot. My tail gets all speckled. But these are nice and clean. That was a good one. Most of the tire came out. Keep going, keep going.